Here I have my Shimano PD-EH500 combo pedals, SPD on one side and aggressive pins on the other side. I've been using these, I've had these for about 3 years. What I've noticed is over time the pins have worn down, and I never really felt that they were tall enough for my purposes. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to replace them, but I'm going to replace them with a slightly longer pin, which is on this pedal. And if you could see here, it's a fair amount higher, and I've already ridden with it on a little bit and I really like it compared to these. And again, these are worn down. You can see the difference between them. There goes the newer one, and here goes the original. And again, the original is worn down a little bit. One of the more important things I think to do is to get the dirt out of the hole with a sharp object. I used a safety pin, had a 2mm tool, extracted this. But the important thing is to get the dirt out before you even try to do it, so you don't strip them. You don't want to strip these little guys. I went to my local hardware store and found the appropriate size. They didn't have enough of them. They were like $1.12 a piece. Once I knew the size, I went on Amazon and I bought these from monsterbolts.com on Amazon. I'll put a link below. Again, 50 of them. I want to say it was like 12 bucks, and it came like in a week. I don't know if they're stainless steel or not. And I know the ones that I bought at the local hardware store were stainless steel. The pins on the right are what came stock on the pedal. Pins on the left are the new ones that I installed. And you can see there is a difference between the two. Other than the height, the one on the right has more of a pointy end. Maybe that's to dig into the pedal, I'm not sure. I think I'm using way too much Loctite. Probably shouldn't do what I'm doing. Whenever you're supposed to let it dry. Didn't say anything about that in the instructions. If you ever need to replace the pins on your Shimano PD-EH500 combo pedals, I would suggest going with the next pin up, and it really helps a lot with grip.